Morning everyone. I am Nancy from DR Memorial Public School. I am class in charge of 7th Moon. Today we are going to have a debate discussion about the motion television watching is beneficial for students or not. There are two teams, team A and team B. They are going to discuss about this discussion. First of all, Anushka, I would like to ask you what is your opinion in this?
Great morning everyone. I am Anushka from class 6. By watching TV, we can all be aware of regionals, nationals as well international affairs. We can get exclusive news. This can play a vital role in being connected with maximum current and GK affairs.
Very nice point, Anushka. According to you, we can get GK knowledge and current affair knowledge from watching television.
Yes, teacher.
So, if there is any another way to get GK or knowledge or current affairs knowledge?
No, there are many things to enhance, but a scientific fact. Students learn by their work. Students learn by their work by seeing pictures or hearing sound.
Very good. Sit down. So, now I would like to ask you, Shubham, what is your opinion in watching television?
Hello everyone, I am Subham from grade 7th Sun, and foremost I want to say that every news that is being broadcast on TV channels is not reliable. There are a number of fake channels. They are run by some particular political or some particular politician. They show us the figure and fact far away from the reality, and secondary is TV, only the source to be get aware of exclusive going matter.
Very nice point. Sit down. I was asking from you that there is any another way to knowledge of GK, and he gave me the answer. There is another way is newspaper. Newspaper are the way we can also get knowledge of GK. We can read newspapers to enhance our GK knowledge and current affairs. Now, Ayushi, what would you like to say on this topic?
Hello everyone, I am Ayushi from class 7th. TV is not only a medium of watching news, but we can improve our way of speaking. We can learn how to express our views in favor or in opposition of any motion. We can cultivate gesture, voice, tone, etc. Thank you.
So you mean to say there is another way we can enhance our GK knowledge also, and also our way to communicate, body language and all. There are a number of things we can learn from television. So Ashu, what is your opinion?
My name is Ashu. First of all, my dear opponents, I think you do not have any idea to how to get perfection in it. My brother may need to practice everything. It is not possible to learn either by practicing everything, and seeing we can learn everything. Thank you.
You mean to say only seeing or watching is not beneficial for learning anything? According to Ashu, we should practice more and more to learn any vocabulary, any language, right? So Monty, what is your opinion?
Good morning everyone. I am Monty from grade 7th. When we talk about learning from TV and other screens, so I would like to add one more scientific fact, which says that the brain of student is naturally designed in such a way that the combination of both watching and hearing strikes their mind deeper. Thank you.
According to Monty, we can learn new vocabularies, new phrases and many more things from television.
Yes, ma'am.
So what did you like to say more about this?
No, ma'am. For example, I told you about my vocabularies, but we can improve a number of things by watching a live debate, such as we can improve our personality, communication, and expressing views and all.
So, along with vocabulary, we can also enhance our speaking skills, our body language and our personality also. Overall, we can develop our full personality by watching television. So, Kundan, are you agree with it?
I am Kundan from class 8. I am quite astonished at the worthy opponents that he raising against. In fact, my brother using online methods, but the concentration is impossible without any parental guidance. Our Asian university, like Taxila and Nalanda, they did not teach online, but they still famous in all over the world. Chandragupta Maurya was the emperor of whole Asia. They did not rule in the entire Asia. Thank you.
Very nice. You took a very good example of Taxila and Nalanda University. These universities are the best universities in the world. They used to teach offline. They never teach online courses and their teaching skills are very good. You also use the example of Chandragupta Maurya. It is also very good example. Now I would like you, Amit.
My name is Amit from grade 6 son. Firstly, I want to change the route of discussion. Actually, because I can see all are talking about the study, learning and enhancing knowledge by watching TV. Why we are not talking about the another side, which is entertainment, having chilling and fun. There are lot of entertainment, movies and some classes. Having they teach by funny and apply way. Thank you.
According to Amit, we should not always talk about study. There are entertainment channels also. They can teach us many things. We can refresh our mind. We can recharge our mind by watching television, right? Yes. What is your opinion on this, Khushi?
I am Kushi from grade 6. I would like to with this idea. I heard so many parents and students come to fresh up their mid by watching TV, and if once they're starting having fun on the entertainment channel, they are talking about it continuously. Their habit will later on destroy their whole future. Thank you.
Khushi is saying that if a student used to watch TV regularly, he will be addicted of it, right?
Yep.
And now Raj, I would like to ask you if there is anything students should not watch on TV.
I am Raj from 7th Sun. Oh, there are so many entertainment programs like Savdhan India, Crime Patrol, in which along with awareness, they broadcast absence. So I strongly against for watching TV. Thank you.
According to me, this is the role of parents. They should watch what their students or their children are watching. They should have command on their children. Now Raj, I would like to ask you a concluding statement which will complete the whole debate.
Good morning, everyone. I am Raj for 7th Moon. I have listened to the position of all the candidate remarks. Just want to add one more thing to the discussion. Student like watching author and trust right news channel as well as Jina's entertainment. No doubt they will be learned. They connect with their history and culture and current affair and many more. So overall, I am keen to follow our watching TV. I benefit of the student along with. Thank you.
You mean to say students can watch TV but along with some barriers. But I think there should be a management of time also. Our screen time should be managed by students, by parents, by everyone also. So there was a debate presented by class 6 to 8 student. Hope you like it. This was the confidence of the students and this was our school's curricular activity. Thank you. Have a nice day.